Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. Hey guys, welcome back to Mindy's Monthly Marketing Tips. This is Starfish's once a month segment where I talk about marketing tips, tricks, and just general marketing advice to help you grow your business's online presence. So today I want to talk about a mistake we've seen so many people make, and honestly, it's a mistake that we've made ourselves. When it comes to online advertising, knowing if you're marketing to the right people can be challenging. So that's why we cast the biggest net and hope for the best, right? Well, that's not really the best strategy, especially if you're a smaller business. Actually, what you need to do is not cast a wide net, but a deep one. When it comes to advertising, it's not about trying to appeal to everyone under the sun, but instead it's about honing in on your specific audience, understanding their needs, and delivering tailored solutions. So first things first, what is niche marketing? Well, niche marketing is all about reaching and engaging with a very specific segment of the market that's most likely to buy from you. These are the most people that share different unique characteristics, interests, or needs. So instead of casting a wide net and hoping for the best, niche marketing is precise in reaching exactly the audience that's most likely to buy from you. I know what you're thinking, but Mindy, aren't you more likely to get more customers if you appeal to as many people as possible? And the answer is honestly no, not necessarily. Think of niche marketing as a sniper rifle compared to a shotgun. With a shotgun approach, you're spraying your message far and wide, hoping that it hits something. But with a sniper, you're carefully aiming at a specific target. So by focusing on a niche audience, you can tailor your messaging and offerings to meet their needs and preferences, which increases your chances of converting the people who see your ad into loyal customers. Another benefit of opting for highly targeted ads is reduced competition. Advertising space is highly competitive, and standing out from the crowd is key. Niche marketing allows you to carve out a space for yourself in a marketing environment that might be otherwise oversaturated with competitors. By targeting a specific niche, you're not only reducing the number of competitors vying for the same customer's attention, but you're also positioning yourself as a specialist in your field, making it harder for others to replicate your success. And by targeting your specific niche, you're also increasing your relevance and chances of engagement. A one-size-fits-all approach is not only lazy, it's just untrue. Not everyone is going to like or be interested in your business. So it's important to only focus on the people who will. By tailoring your message to a niche audience, you can speak directly to their interests, pain points, and desires. This level of personalization makes your marketing more relevant and engaging, which leads to a higher conversion rate and increased customer loyalty. Continuing on that thought, when you establish yourself as the expert in your field, it becomes easier to build trust and credibility with your audience, making it easier to both attract and retain customers over the long term. By consistently delivering value and demonstrating your expertise, you'll establish yourself as the go-to authority in your niche, even further solidifying your brand's reputation and driving growth. And we all love saving money, right? Advertising is expensive, and it's always worth it. But there are very few ways to reduce your cost without compromising the results of your campaign. But that being said, niche marketing is the exception. By focusing your efforts on a more narrow audience, you're able to allocate your resources more efficiently, targeting only the channels and tactics that are most likely to yield results. This not only saves you money, but it also ensures that every marketing dollar is being spent where it matters the most. So, now that we know why niche marketing is important, but how do you actually use this information? Well, first, start by identifying who exactly your niche market is. Look for the people who align with your business goals, strengths, and passions. Conduct market research to understand the needs, preferences, and pain points of your target audience within that niche, and use that information to refine your offerings and your messaging. Once you've identified your niche, see if you need to tailor your products or services more to meet those specific needs and desires of your target audience. This might involve customizing your current offerings and creating new ones. Next, develop a marketing message and content that speaks directly to the interests, aspirations, and challenges of that target audience. audience. Use language, imagery, and tone that resonates with your target demographic and reflects the unique value of your brand. Now, you need to choose the marketing channels and tactics that are most likely to reach and engage your niche audience effectively. This could include different social media platforms, niche publications, industry events, targeted advertising campaigns, and much more. Lastly, focus on building relationships and fostering a community within your niche market. Engage with your audience through social media, host events or workshops, and provide valuable content and resources that demonstrate your expertise and add value to your target audience. So, to conclude, I think it's pretty clear that the most effective method of marketing, especially for small businesses, isn't just casting the widest net and hoping for the best. It's about taking a more deliberate and strategic approach, targeting only the people that are the most important to you. By honing in on a specific audience and understanding their needs while delivering a personalized message, businesses can achieve really amazing results. Remember, niche marketing isn't just about attracting more customers. It's about attracting the right customers, those who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer and are more likely to become loyal advocates for your brand. So as you continue your marketing efforts, remember the power of niche marketing and how it can grow your business to new heights. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. And while you're at it, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.